Continuing on in an exclusive interaction, my colleague Anjali caught up with Flipkart's Manjari Singhal to know more about the new Flipkart Minutes and the growth road for the company. Listen in to the slice of that conversation.
Minutes is just an ability to provide your offering much faster. If you look at 5 years back, e-commerce spoke of 3 days delivery. Now, horizontal platforms are delivering on the same day, next day, right? It's just a delighter if you can get the entire wide assortment in 10 minutes. I think where Flipkart stands out is their ability to understand demand by pin code, by region much better and translate that into super hyper speed. And this is how we've been able to take advantage of our hyperlocal offering. In markets where we've seen our hyperlocal offerings to be well penetrated, we have enough dark stores, they are leading the growth for us. They are at a much higher growth than your equivalent other metro cities or tier 2 cities where we don't have that offering. So we do believe that being able to serve the need faster, the right need faster, will take us ahead in the future.
Right. So in these categories, FMCG, BPC, what's the share looking like between the quick commerce versus the broader website?
Sure. I think in the markets that we exist, I'm not at liberty to give numbers, but we are seeing roughly 10% higher growth in markets where we are present with the quick commerce offering versus not.
Okay, and I also want to talk about FMCG and general merchandise a bit here. We've seen the last few quarters being slow for FMCG overall, and that was largely an urban phenomena, while rural markets are, on the path of recovery. Want to understand at Flipkart, what are these trends translated to in terms of where you're seeing growth really?
Sure. I think while market is slightly slow, we are nowhere compared to being slow. We are growing really, really fast, not just in beauty and personal care, in FMCG in general. Where is it coming from? I think we are lucky to say that it's coming from both metro and non-metros.
Okay.
I think a lot of metro growth is being driven by speed as an offering. A lot of non-metro growth is being driven by providing the right value.